Most entrepreneurs are out here selling products. Products get compared. Offers, they get chased. The difference is clarity, not luck. This is offer engineering 101, where we stop pitching random stuff and start building something people can't resist. Let's start with the Alex Hormozi value equation. Value equals dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delay times effort and sacrifice. You raise the top, you lower the bottom. Make the dream bigger, make success feel certain. Make it happen faster, make it happen easier. That's the entire game. So look at your offer right now. Does it deliver a result people actually crave, or are you just describing features? People don't buy deliverables, they buy transformation. Next, let's talk about your offer stat. Every item you add should kill a specific objection. If it doesn't belong. The core offer solves direction, the community kills isolation, templates kill overwhelm, and accelerators kill procrastination. Everything you include needs a job, or it's just clutter. Now let's handle fear, the guarantee. Most people are scared to offer one because they don't believe in what they sell. Confidence is the real currency. A strong guarantee isn't about refunds, it's about removing risk. Say, if you do the work and don't see progress, I'll coach you until you do. Or keep the assets even if you cancel. When people feel like they can't lose, they buy faster. Here's what I want you to do. Download the offer worksheet below this video, walk through each section, and fill it out. Dream, outcome, pain solved, bonuses, guarantee, and price logic. When you're done, write your 10-second offer one-liner. It should sound like this. I help avatar achieve result using method without pain. Then post that one-liner in the community. And when it passes the clarity test, you earn your Bronx stamp, your badge for having a real offer, not a wish. Remember, you don't need more leads. You need a better offer. Leads chase clarity. When your offer feels like the obvious solution, everything else, ads, funnels, automations, become easier and cheaper. Build your offer like a system architect. Every part has a purpose. Every promise connects to a result. When you get this right, you stop selling and you start attracting. Let's engineer something they can't ignore.